Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude in Perplexity. Claude is a powerful AI model that can help you with research, coding, and complex problem solving, and integrating it with Perplexity's search capabilities gives you even better results. Let's walk through how to set this up and start using it. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Go ahead and enter your login details to access your account. This step is essential because you'll need to be signed in to access the model selection features. After logging in, you'll see the main chat input box right in the center of the page. This is where all your interactions with Perplexity happen. Look for the option labeled Model and click on it. This button lets you choose which AI model you want to use for your queries, and it's where you'll find Claude. When the model menu appears, you'll see options like Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Claude Opus 4.6 Max. These are different versions of Claude, each with varying capabilities. However, here's something important to note. In order to enable and use these Claude models, you must first upgrade to a pro account. Since I'm using the free trial account for this demonstration, I won't be able to activate Claude right now, but I'll show you the next steps as if we already have access. Now, let's pretend that we've successfully enabled Claude and are ready to use it. In the main chat box, type in your question. It could be anything from research inquiries to coding problems or general knowledge questions. Whatever you need help with, just type it directly into that input box. Once you've entered your question, press enter on your keyboard or click the submit button to proceed. This sends your query to Claude, and you'll see the AI start generating a response. Depending on the complexity of your question, it might take a moment for the full answer to appear, so just wait while it processes. If Claude provides you with code in its response, you'll notice a handy feature right beside the code block. There's a button labeled Copy Code. Simply click on this to copy the code directly to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into your own projects or applications without manually selecting and copying. And that's it. You've now learned how to access and use Claude within Perplexity, from selecting the model to submitting questions and copying code. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your research and problem-solving workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.